Got an answer from Perplexity that you want to save, paste into a doc, or share with someone? Let me show you the easiest ways to do that. It'll take less than 2 minutes. The fastest way is using the built-in copy button. Right under the generated answer, you'll see a row of small utility icons: a share button, a download button, a copy button, and a rewrite button. All you need to do is click the copy icon right here. That instantly copies the entire answer as plain text to your clipboard. Now you can open up and paste it anywhere you want, whether that's a Google Doc, an email, Notion, or wherever you need it. If you want a more polished version, one that keeps all the original formatting and source citations fully included, you'll want to use the download option instead. Just click the download icon located right beside the copy icon. From here, a menu pops up letting you pick your preferred format: PDF, Markdown, or a Word doc. A PDF is great if you're sharing a clean, final report. Markdown is perfect if you're putting it into Obsidian or Notion, and Word works incredibly well if you need to edit the text further. For this example, I'll choose PDF. Click it once, and it will immediately start exporting the entire thread. And just like that, it's saved on your device as a PDF already, and that's it. Your file is formatted, saved, and ready to use however you need. So those are the 2 simple ways to do it: a quick copy for fast pasting, or a full export for a polished file with your sources. Pick whichever one fits the project what you're working on right now.